Hey Lance.
Hey.
What have you been up to?
Just skating.
Cool. I'm really glad we wrote this dialogue.
Yeah, this is good writing.
Yeah, Skateboard Hollywood. You're gonna board slide that bench.
Are you sure?
No. Are you?
No.
Do you know what a board slide is?
Yes.
Step 1 of board sliding the bench, don't be scared. Step 2 is stand like this and go like this.
Just fall out?
Yeah, just fall out, you know, whatever. You're just trying to get your wheels on there.
Okay, I actually remember the tutorial for this. Like, the wheels are actually supposed to be pressed against the bench, right?
Yeah, so your wheels are going to be on the top. So with a regular ledge, you would have to actually wax the top, otherwise your wheels wouldn't slide. So, but since this is the butter bench and it's made out of 100% pure margarine, pretty much slides. So you're just going to practice getting into that position. This is pretty much the first step that you're going to take in learning how to slide or grind anything because it's the most safe. It doesn't really matter where you land, you're still going to slide. Unlike the 50-50 where you almost have to land in a very exact place, this one is just like get on the bench and go. It's so easy. And also your point of control is everywhere. You're just like that. And then you're sliding, and with any amount of speed, you just slide off. So practice jumping onto it.
Not bad.
Now I know you're good at frontside 180s, so
I don't know
keep that in mind. Oh, what? Take it down like a boss.
That's it?
I mean, well, I don't know. What else did you think was going to happen?
I thought I had to land.
You did kind of land like a dead bird and then fall backwards. But other than that, I mean, not really. I didn't even land and stick on there. I mean, you could practice to that point, I guess. You don't really have to learn to pop off because when you have speed, you're just going to fall off.
I think I've got it then.
All right, do it one more time. See? How easy is that?
It's not bad. I can tell that I'm just going to have to be brave and keep my body straight.
Yeah. Cool. Step 3 is to land a tray flip. Well, I even give up on that one. Gabe just let me know we have 2 minutes left. If you can land this in 2 minutes, you will be the internet hero.
No, you'll buy me a Togo sandwich.
Yes. Doubtful, doubtful.
Come on.
First try for a Togo sandwich. You have to slide this far. Cool. So remember what I said about you can kind of just land anywhere?
Yeah.
It was a total lie. The only place you can't go is all the way over. It's just because, I mean, you could probably even, but right there, my truck is actually on this side and it's going to stop you. So you have to land with your wheels on top. If the bench was just literally an inch wider, you wouldn't have that issue. So land halfway across like this. How did that feel?
It felt cool.
Yeah, I can't get over how cool it feels to actually get onto a bench and slide. For your first time, it's the greatest feeling ever. Good, now just go as fast as you can possibly go and do it.
Okay, I can tell it's just about keeping my body forward because I want to slide out.
Yeah, you ready? Hoyo! It wasn't going to be an actual live skate sport unless you did that at least once.
I felt that one.
All right, now you just got to commit. Lance is so funny because he gets so close, yet so far away. You got it, Raiden. A little more speed, big boss. Start from back here. Get an actual good push, couple good pushes, get some speed. Oh, you got it!
That speed is scary.
Oh my gosh. You were going literally half a mile an hour. The next live skate support is going to be Lance bombing hills in San Francisco.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm actually not joking. Okay, so you're going to be like that. And you're going to go like this. Okay, Lance, let's do this. Run and jump on that board and board slide off. You totally wussied out.
Ready?
Yeah, I got your back. You're wussying out. Yes, your back foot. Just leave it on there. You got it. You slid the whole thing perfectly. You got it. I want you to feel what it feels like to slide and land. Because where you're having a hard time coming off. So you turn 90, then turn back. Okay, 2-person board slide. Here we go. Oh, what? Did that blow your mind? Change your life?
Yeah.
Now, at this point, you're just not committing. So just leave your both feet on and just do it.
Okay.
You got it.
All right.
That was perfect, utter commitment. You literally went like this. Good, that was good. You know what let's do for the first try? I want you to try and slide about this much of it. Let's start right here, go real, just like that, just barely slide. Another point on this is you want to do a thing you can like succeed at. So if you're feeling like you're succeeding and doing well, then you can build it and build it and build it and build it. So every time you tried to slide long, it was just like fail, fail, fail.
Yeah, it's like getting worse.
Yeah, so you don't want to get worse. You want to take it back to where you can do it.
Yeah.
Even if it's slide less, then you can build up your sliding more. So let's land this one. Oh, hoyo! Oh, what? Boom! Good, guess what you're gonna do now? Slide it further. There you go. There you go, Lance. Now go fast and slide it far. Boom, you got it. That's perfect. Leave your back foot on and fully commit. Oh, what? Took it down like a boss. All right, Lance, guess what?
That was it. That was good.
That was so good. You mastered it. 2 to make it true. Oh! I'm not sure if that was a board slide or not, but we're going to count it. Ready? 2 to make it true. Do it again. Slide, you gotta slide. Oh! Oh, this guy. So how good did that feel?
Good.
Yeah, it's just practice, 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 practice.
Yeah, one thing is I have so much more respect for you as a skater. You have no idea how many times you can do that again and again. That's really impressive.
It's about time Lance shows a little respect.
I got it now.
Cool, so definitely get Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 3. You can click right here And you can get it from the website. It's a digital download. You pay on the website and it sends a link to your email. The other reason we're making this whole series is because it's available for the first time on iTunes as an iBook. That means every single chapter is broken down and it has text. You can get it on your iPhone, on your iPad. You can get it on the iBooks app on your computer. And I don't think that that's limited to just Mac computers either. Windows computers, just download iTunes, it's free. I'm pretty sure you can just get the iBooks app and you can get Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 3, which goes into extreme detail on tons of different grinds and slide tricks.
And you can get them down, you know? I think that I learned them today. You could easily learn them if you get SMS 3.
This is Lance's first day actually skating any kind of a ledge, and he was like a little scared, so.
Yeah, and the video covers everything that we covered today, probably more.
Definitely a whole lot more. Beautiful. So thanks a lot for watching this video. You guys are incredible as always. Please click that subscribe button, click the like button, and leave Lance a comment below. You know, Lance loves to read through the comments of the videos that he's in and just see what you guys are saying about him. So you could leave him a mean comment if you want, or leave him a nice comment.
Nice comment.
Maybe you should leave him a nice comment. I don't know. And then, yeah, what trick do you think Lance should learn next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again. You guys are incredible.